The heartbeat of Jamaica's road. This is your excursion extraordinaire and guide, Dr. A. Thank you for joining us once again in this session where we'll be taking you on a journey from Pamphret all the way to Botany Bay. And yes, this journey is going to be a short one as these two communities are in close proximity with each other. For those who are new here, please feel free to go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If any value was added or you received a new perspective, please go ahead and turn the like button blue. Don't forget to share this information with your friends and family so all can be aware of the developments and the investment projects taking place in the parish of St. Thomas, spanning the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. This area is a part of the Section 1B of this said project. As you can see on this leg of the road, we have little to no development taking place. However, at the top of this road network, we'll see where they have expanded the road carriageway to accommodate a 4-lane traffic flow. But in a little while, we'll reach in that vicinity where we can visualize what is currently happening. They have also in this area just cleared out to widen, giving us an idea as to the dimension of the road network. But the real visual and solidification of the work that is currently ongoing is seen a few moments ahead. Just stick around as we continue on the journey and enjoy this infrastructure marvel together, taking place right now in Jamaica, the land of wood and water. So yes, straight ahead, that is where we'll have a visual as to what the final product is slated to look like. And did you know that there is a resort in this geography? Yes, indeed, there is a resort in this geography on your right hand. I am not aware of the name of this resort, but I did see it when we were flying over using the drone technology. So if you're interested in seeing that video footage, I'll leave it in the link right in the description and also in this video. So in order to get there, you'll have to go down this road and then you'll be on your way to reaching the resort. So this is the dimension of the road, 2-lane carriageway. And it is so designed so that we can have an appreciation of what is to come. So a lot of work is still pending for this section of the highway, but we'll progress nevertheless. Majority of the work is taking place in the Roach Gully area. And yes, in order to fix the roads, they have to destroy portions of the road. And this area is beautiful. Indeed, you can appreciate the marvel taking place, and indeed they had to dig away some dirt and dig away some stones in order to make room for the road because of the nature of how the road is curved. So this road was quite narrow, but they are trying their very best to expand it as possible, and over that side is where we'll be driving in a few moments. But let us see if we will make it to the other end of the development. We have come to the end of this road, Signing out from RoadTripja, the heartbeat of Jamaica's road, is Dr. A. Have yourself a productive day, and remember, walk, ride, drive, and fly good.